Hi everyone, my name is Cindy and this is Decorate a Lantern Fall Edition. This is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. And hosting with her is At Home with Lisa, Denise Glam's Style Living, Creations by Simone, Sasu Glam Style, Sunflower Tasha DIY Gallery, Jody Southern Seasons, A Cozy Lifestyle, Gigi Facion, Annalise Cupboard, Pretty DIYs, Lorna's Decor, Decorating with Jazzy Green, M. Miriam Creative Corner, Deborah Cabasa Home Living, Table Talk with Robin, and Z9 Designs. That's no space, just Z9 Designs with an S on the end. And make sure you use the hashtag Decorate a Lantern. If you are new or returning, welcome to Z9 Designs. Today I will design, make, and decorate 2 lanterns that are easy, impactful, and beautiful for fall. In addition, I made them all. So DIY number 1, Hot Wheels Track Lantern. The supplies needed include 1 Hot Wheel racetrack, glass hurricane vase, hot glue, spray paint Rust-Oleum in chestnut, a candle, leaves, a metal base from Dollar Tree, and optional a squirrel window clean, a key ring, and E6000. Now I like to reuse what I have. So I made this beautiful modern candle holder. I had a small metal container that I purchased from Dollar Tree several years ago, and I thought about painting it bronze, but the actual color was chestnut by Rust-Oleum. You know, sometimes the top can be a little deceiving. However, I like the color, so I decided to go with it. I had some Hot Wheels plastic racetrack by Mattel, and I cut the sides off because I wanted the sides to be smooth. I glued them to the sides of the metal container. Then I just let them dry overnight. Now you can see at the top there's an opening. I punched a hole in both sides of the racetrack and I slipped a key holder through those 2 openings because that is what's going to keep the 2 pieces of racetrack together. After that was completed, I put the glass hurricane vase into the metal container, and guess what? It fit perfectly, like it was made for that. And I put a battery-operated candle inside. And to give it that fall look, there are 2 options. I did one with beige leaves and one with burgundy leaves. And as an option, you can put window clings on one side if you want to, or pumpkins. But you don't have to do any of that. I love the modern look as a fall option. So let me know what you think. You can put it on your table, you can put it in your bedroom. It's just for any room at any time. Now DIY number 2 is Hot Wheel Vintage Lantern. The supplies needed include a wooden candle top of 3 inches, Hot Wheel racetrack, wood round of 4 inches, a battery operated candle 3 inches in width, and all the way around is 9 inches, and that fits into the jot clip cup, which is the next thing you need, perfectly. E6000, a wreath form approximately 5 inches, got this from Dollar Tree several years ago, some leaves and flowers of your choice, a hook, a found metal top with already had an opening in it, and a nail. So this lantern has a vintage vibe to it, so it looks fall-like. I went with it because I had all of the supplies. I put down the 4-inch wood round and I glued a 3-inch wood round on top of that. Now that wood round was a top of a candle holder. Then I took one Hot Wheel track and made a circle. If you look at the Hot Wheel tracks, it has 2 openings at the bottom, I guess to hook it so you can race your little car on several of them. Well, what I did is I used some E6000 and a nail to adhere that circle in the middle of the wood round. In addition, I found a metal top. It was just a little top that was twisted onto a bottle, and I spray painted that black, and then I also used some chalk paint to paint it. Also, I put a hook in it. I glued a hook in the top of it with E6000, and then I glued the entire top with the hook on top of the racetrack, so it looks like a lantern. And you could hang it on a tree if you so chose. You could hang it on a tree if you chose to. I cut the wreath form and put it around the cup. The orange flowers that were on it were removed and replaced with burgundy flowers and green leaves. I put a candle in the cup. Now you can turn the lights dim and turn the candle on, and oh, what a beauty. I have it on my tablescape, which you will see on Cozy Corner soon. So, if you've liked what you've seen, please subscribe, like, save, and comment. Help me reach my goal of 1,500, and when I get there, a prize will be awarded to someone who's a subscriber and comments on the video that reaches that number. Also, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. And thanks for watching. I appreciate all of your comments. And remember, love is more than a noun. It is a verb. It is more than a feeling. It is caring, sharing, helping, and sacrificing. This is by William Arthur Ward. See you later. Till next time. Be sure to watch my other videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.